Okay, you gonna sing for me?
La la la, la la la, la 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 la.
Huh?
Can I see a drill? Would you hold me?
There you go.
Bye, Christy.
Here's all our mechanics.
They're underneath there.
That's right. We got 4 men changing one tire. Mr. Dude's supervising. Uh-oh, there's Buddy's rear end. Let's see. James down there somewhere. Seems like he gets to do all of it. I tell you, this be an expensive tire job. 4 men.
Stay on bail.
Exactly. Yeah, because I remember that cup. This is what the hubcap was
right.
on.
Right. There you go.
Okay.
There's jolly well downtown.
Hey, don't put them all on my side. You're making it easy for me. Here's a couple more.
Yeah, there you are, Mr. Dude.
She's got to have the camera.
Oh yeah, man. Y'all could turn around and smile for me.
Hey, mechanics don't smile.
That costs extra. And smile.
The muffler did.
It took these same 4 men to change a muffler.
You want me to
Get one tight when you let it down, though, can't you?
And here they are.
Can I just mash the brake?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold the brake there. That'd be a lot.
Wait a minute now. One more camera.
These 3 are out here getting the rest done. Knees, they have them working.
that won't right. I got the other end. It won't.
Done.
Oh,
It's been had.
It's been done.
You got it? Yep. I can come out.
Board came up.
All right. Don't
Is it moving back?